Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Casio G-Shock GW-6900-1 CF watch. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. Again, I bought this off of Amazon. It was $84 when I purchased it. And the reviews seem really good on this watch, so I figured, hey, for the price, I'll try it out, see what I think. So, just a cardboard box, nothing fancy there. You've got your G-Shock warranty card. A couple different instruction manuals. This is module 3179 by Casio. And then we've got a couple different manuals in here as well. I'm assuming all the manuals are different languages. The font is so small in these manuals, I don't know why they even bother giving them to you, but I will be going on their website to look at the directions on how to use it. Give you a look at the stand that it comes on. Really not a whole lot to this watch. It does have world time feature, and it is a Multiband 6 watch, so it will set itself with the atomic setting feature. Self-charging, self-adjusting. .41mm display window. I think the whole watch is 53.2 millimeters by 50 by 17.7 millimeters. So it's not overly big. I've got 6-inch wrist. I will throw it on just to see what it looks like. I have really small wrists, so I'm hoping this watch will fit me okay. And it's just an unboxing. Once I figure out how to use the watch, maybe I can attach some videos to show you some of the features and settings on the watch. There we go. That's what it looks like on 6-inch wrist. It does have a keeper. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting the keeper to go any further down than that. So you've got a little flap that sticks out, but it's not too bad. Anyway, that's an unboxing of the GW-6900 watch. I hope the video helps.